Our work is about inflations and ways to reduce or prevent its rate from rising uncontrollably. But first, even though it's a widely discussed topic, we thought it would be better to give a general introduction about the subject. Inflation is the continuous and sustained increase in the prices of goods and services in an economy over time. According to our research, there are three causes of inflation: demand inflation, when the demand exceeds the supply; cost inflation, an increase in production costs; and monetary inflation, an increase in the money supply. This is concerning because if it increases uncontrollably, people with less monetary power lose purchasing power, leading to a worrisome inequality in society. But none of these topics we just mentioned are unknown or new, so we would like to propose some ways to prevent the inflation rate from rising uncontrollably, because it would be impossible to prevent it from rising or disappearing completely.
Measures against inflation. Price control. As mentioned before, one type of inflation is due to demand exceeding supply. With this in mind, one of our suggestions is to control product prices. An example of how to apply this measure is to create laws that prevent the price of products from rising through high taxes if the law is broken.
Monetary policy mainly involves changing interest rates to control inflation. However, governments, through fiscal policy, can help combat inflation as well. Other methods governments may use are price control, improved productivity. These may include technological innovations, investments in research and development, and improvements in working conditions, price regulation and control, and finally, responsible salary negotiations.
In short, inflation is a bad thing, but we acknowledge that the complexity of this challenge, understanding that the implementation of these measures demands a comprehensive governmental approach. By embracing the previously mentioned strategies, we aim to get a more stable and secure economic environment for Europeans.